Hello viewers, welcome to Rajavali Education channel. This question is taken from one of the question paper of JEE Main 2023 based on electrochemistry Nernst equation. At 298 Kelvin, a liter solution containing 10 millimole of dichromate and 100 millimole of chromium 3 plus shows a pH of 3. Given dichromate gives chromium 3 plus. Its E0 value is 1.330 volt and 2.303 by F into RT equal to 0.059 volt. The potential for the half cell reaction is X into 10 to the power of minus 3 volt. What is the value of X? First, we have to balance this half cell reaction. On product side, it is given as plus 3 oxidation state of chromium, but in reactant side, we have to find out the oxidation state of chromium in dichromate. So Cr2O7 2 minus, that is dichromate ion, we can write Cr2O7 equal to minus 2. We know that oxidation state of oxygen is minus 2. Substituting these values in this equation, we get 2Cr minus 14 equal to minus 2. Solving this one, we get chromium equal to plus 6. So in this reaction, oxidation state of chromium in dichromate is plus 6. It is reduced from plus 6 state to plus 3. So it is reducing reaction. So we can write reducing reaction of dichromate to chromium 3 plus. Next we have to balance the chromium atoms. On reactant side, 2 chromium atoms are present. So we have to multiply by 2 on product side. To get equal number of electrons, we have to multiply 3 electrons by 2. So the equation is Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 electrons gives 2Cr3 plus. Next, we have to balance the number of oxygen atoms. On reactant side, we have 7 oxygen atoms, so we have to add 7 water molecules on product side. So the equation becomes Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 electrons gives 2Cr3 plus plus 7H2O. Next, we have to balance the hydrogen atoms. On product side, 14 hydrogens are present. So we have to add 14H plus on reactant side. Now we check number of atoms on both the sides. Here it is, that is here the number of atoms are same on both the reactants and products. So the equation is, balanced equation is Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 electrons plus 14H plus gives 2Cr3 plus plus 7H2. Now we got the balanced equation, that is Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 electrons plus 14H plus gives 2Cr3 plus plus 7H2. Now we have to consider the Nernst equation. Here we have to change this Nernst equation according to our balanced equation. So we get like this: E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by 6, where N is equal to 6, that is number of electrons involved in this reaction are 6. Log concentration of Cr3 plus power 2, because its coefficient is 2, and H2O power 7 divided by Cr2O7 2 minus into concentration of H plus whole power 40. Now we have to substitute these values in this equation. E cell value, it is given as X into 10 to the power of minus 3 volt. So E naught cell value is given as 1.330 volt, and Cr3 plus, concentration of Cr3 plus is given as 100 millimole, and concentration of Cr2O7 2 minus is given as 10 millimole. First we have to find out that what is 10 millimole of Cr2O7 and 100 millimole of Cr3 plus. 1 millimole is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 mole. Here it is given as 10 millimole of Cr2O7. So we have to multiply this 10 to the power of minus 3 by 10. We get 10 to the power of minus 2. So 10 millimole equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 mole. Now we have to find out the concentration of Cr2O7. Concentration is equal to number of moles per liter. Here it is given as 1 liter. So concentration of Cr2O7 is 10 to the power of minus 2. And concentration of Cr3 plus, again we have to change it. 100 millimoles equal to 100 into 10 to the power of minus 3 mole. So 100 millimole equal to 10 to the power of minus 1 mole. So concentration of Cr3 plus is equal to 10 to the power of minus 1 mole per liter. Next we have to find out the H plus concentration. For that it is given as pH value is 3. So pH is equal to negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. So 3 is equal to minus log H. Changing this negative value, we get minus 3 log H plus, and taking anti-log, we get 10 to the power of minus 3 is equal to H plus. So concentration of H plus is 10 to the power of minus 3. Now we have all the values. And substituting these all values into the balanced Nernst equation, we get this one. Here logarithm terms should be simplified. So log 10 to the power of minus 1 into 2, we can write 10 to the power of minus 2. And on denominator 10 to the power of minus 3 into 14, we can say 10 to the power of minus 42. Now we move this denominator values to the numerator according to powers and exponents division law. So we get 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of plus 2 into 10 to the power of 42. This one we can take 10 to the power of minus 2 plus 42 because base are same. So on simplifying these values, we get 10 to the power of 42. So next we have to change this log 10 to the power of 42 into log 10. We know that log 10 value is 1. So this equation becomes this one. So 42 by 6 equal to 7. So on simplifying these values, we get x into 10 to the power of minus 3 equal to 1.330 minus 0.413. Its value is 0.917. 0.917 we can write 917 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So x value is 917. This is the answer. Thank you.